Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. My name is Cameron, aka bymcnab. So I'm not facing at the camera, I'm actually driving. Basically, I'm a videographer and photographer based down in Dorset, UK. I take photos of cars, I've got a job taking photos of kitchens at the moment, anything really to kind of just up my skill set. Well, today I've CUPRA UK have been kind enough to send me their new 2021 CUPRA Formentor. So I've had that for the past week. Just got back from the Lake District on Tuesday, and today is Wednesday, and I'm giving the car back tomorrow, which is Thursday. So basically I've got a day down in Dorset where I could go and photograph it. So I thought, why not? It's starting to rain, so nice moody settings for the photography. I'm actually on my way to a place called Moor Crichel. I'll pop a photo up on the screen here. Basically, I think it's like some sort of National Trust kind of house or something like that. But basically, on the way there, they've got this really cool road where it's got trees either side. So basically, I'm planning, hopefully not too busy, to drive down there, pop the car in the middle of the road, trees, and take some photos of it. Weather allowing, and hopefully there's no traffic. Hopefully it all goes good. I'll update you when I get there, but yeah, see you guys soon. Currently just, it says 1 minute out, 0.4 miles out from Moor Crichel. Just had a peek of it as I was driving here, literally just 2 seconds ago. And it does look so sick. So yeah, I'll show you some photos and videos when I get there. Oh my god, oh, I'm just pulling into it now. Hopefully it's not too busy, because this would look so fucking sick. I'd love to do rollers here. It looks insane. It's the ideal place to do car photography. So yeah, I'll just be pulling over now, sitting on my camera, and yeah, I'll go back to you in a sec. So I currently shoot on a Sony A7 III. I'm going to be starting off on this Tamron 70 to 180 2.8. This is probably the best budget lens telephoto that you could get for the Sony E-mount. So I don't have 2K to splash on the lens. So get the 70 to 200 G Master, maybe soon, hopefully. But yeah, this, I've actually got a polarizer on here, so perfect for car photography. Just setting up now, and I was switching over to the POV cam. Where I'll put these together, and I'll show you kind of behind the scenes of me taking some photos of this CUPRA Formentor. So I've actually just set up the camera. This is the interior, just a quick POV. Basically this is Moor Crichel. Beautiful line of trees, as you can see. Unreal for photography. A bit wary about where I'm going to put the car because this road seems quite busy. But as you can see, looks unreal on the camera. So I'll get my camera settings punched in. I'll probably be using quite a high shutter speed, 2.8. Just pump the ISO a bit up. Normally I just use quite a high shutter speed because I haven't got the steadiest of hands. So that's what I usually like to use. Put the headlights and backlights on of the car. While I'm in here, I'm just going to get the camera settings ready for when I get out, because I'm probably not going to have too long before another car comes before I have to move it. Okay, so car's just overtaken me, parked in position, hopefully it's straight. Just run up here. God, look how sexy that looks. So yeah, I punch it in, get the polarizer right. Camera settings all set up, so I'm shooting 1/400 2.8. Another car coming? No, thank God. Oh God, this looks so good. It's mad the locations that you could find. Like just around the corner to where you live. I'll put all the photos that I take on the screen. God, look at the location. So gorgeous, wow. Literally ideal for car photography. So little tip when shooting cars, try and get low to get some depth. So shooting with this grass here helps to create almost like a foreground in the photos. Just pop these down. So I've had to park the car up and I'm having to keep an eye out for other cars because I haven't got someone else here with me to help move it when I'm taking photos. Shooting at a high shutter speed so I don't miss out on the shot. Oh, car coming. I hear loads of activity. It sounds like there's some cars coming. Can't see them. It sounds like they're coming. So I'm just gonna get some shooting shots of the back. Zoom in a bit. Oh, see, another car coming. It's alright as well. So I've actually pulled the car over onto the left-hand side of the road so people can get past. I'm gonna try and be a bit cheeky. Don't really do this, but I'm gonna try and just stand in here a little bit so I can get some, almost like some depth shots of the car on the side. Not good. Don't think it's a good idea using the farmer's land. I don't want to get told off, pushing my luck a bit. Yeah, I'm just going to try and get some just some detail shots really. Still on the 70 to 180 Tamron lens. Just absolutely love the compression that you get from a telephoto. It feels like it just adds so much to the photo. Car is a bit dirty, so I apologise. It does look gorgeous though. Look at that. Front view. Having to wait for the indicator to come off. When I take these shots, Alright, so I quite like doing these shots where I switch between the car being in focus and then the road or the background. So I'm going to try that here. So this is the first shot, road in focus, move the focus point to the car in focus, and it creates this cool little effect of where the car is out of focus, and if I move it to the one in focus, it's a nice little almost like carousel post on Instagram. I'm going to shoot upwards at the CUPRA logo, get these trees in the background, make sure to shoot landscape as well as portrait. You don't want just both, just one, may as well shoot both. The car's a bit dirty, so I'm going to zoom it in. God, look how crispy that is. God, look at that. Man, well, I've had this actually decent stint where there's been no cars. I'm just going to quickly run up here and get some front-on shots. It's parked almost perfectly in the middle. Just adjust the polarizer. There we are. See, look, here's one with the polarizer, and here's one without. So you always want to get a polarizer if you're shooting car photography. It's a must. So I'm actually going to put the GoPro now on this, and I'm just going to get some quick shots of just zooming it up and down. Oh, it's a car behind me. yes guys, so that was it. Just a little solo photo shoot, and then just behind the scenes of kind of what I get up to when I just take some photos of cars. Thank you very much for CUPRA for sending me this vehicle. Absolutely loved having it over the past week, and couldn't recommend it anymore. If you want to see the photos and the little reel that I made, head over to my Instagram or TikTok at bymcnab. Just give us a follow and a like on there, really appreciate it. And yeah, thanks for tuning in, and thanks for watching this video, and yeah, like, subscribe, comment, all that jazz, and hopefully see you in the next one.